Hi guys, if you are looking for something to have less stress in your business and have happier clients, I'm really excited to share with you all of my favorite things about HONEYBOOK because it can do just that. Before we jump right into all of my favorite things about HONEYBOOK and why I absolutely rave about it, I do want to let you guys know I have a free $200 off your first year down in the description. So if this interests you at all and you decide you want to sign up, be sure to use that link and you can get $200 off, which is crazy awesome. So the first reason why I love HONEYBOOK is it allows you to track your inquiries and see where your referral sources are coming from. So you can see like how many are coming from Instagram versus Facebook versus the not, anything like that. You're able to track that right in HONEYBOOK, and if you embed your contact form through HONEYBOOK, it can automatically track that for you because people can pick those options from the list. So it is just super awesome for being able to do that in your business and not having to find something else to do that with. Number two is online contracts. This is really easy, really simple. If you're still doing paper contracts, please stop. Don't keep doing that. Use something like HONEYBOOK because you can literally send your contract over via email. Your clients click with the or sign with the click of a button. You can sign with the click of a button, and then you're good to go. The next reason why I love it is online payments and invoices. Guys, this is amazing. It lets you automatically set up invoices with automatic payment reminders, and it'll automatically remind your clients when their payments are due. You don't even have to worry about that, which is just amazing. So if you're trying to do all this manually yourself, use something like HONEYBOOK because literally it is just amazing. It keeps care of all that for me. I don't even have to worry about getting payments from my clients anymore. Number four is automated workflows. So within HONEYBOOK, you can create workflows based on what kind of project you have. For example, I have one for my weddings, and literally step by step, I think it's like 40 steps long for an entire wedding from start to finish. And it'll automatically send you reminders of when you need to send questionnaires, when you need to send certain emails, when you need to set up certain things, and it automatically reminds you to do that, or you can set it to just do it on automatic and you don't even have to review it and send it yourself. So I really appreciate that about HONEYBOOK and how you can set those reminders based on their project date. So for example, I sent a wedding questionnaire to my couples a few months out from their wedding. So about 2 to 3 months out, I have a reminder that'll automatically pop up saying I need to send them their wedding questionnaire, which is super awesome that it's able to do that. It saves me so much time in having to remember to do that for every client. The fifth reason I love HONEYBOOK is it has templates for literally anything. So basically everything I've talked about with all of this, you can put in email templates, contract templates, questionnaire templates, workflow templates you can apply to every project that you book. It is incredible what you can do, and the automation that comes with that is just, it's amazing. The sixth reason that I love HONEYBOOK is that it also integrates with QuickBooks. So you're able to connect your QuickBooks account to HONEYBOOK, and literally it'll sync all of your payments and all of your invoices and stuff, and making sure that everything's up to date. And that's just something I really appreciate and love about it. And if you're interested in QuickBooks, I also have a 50% off QuickBooks down in the description. So if you want to check that out at all, be sure to hit up that link. But just the fact that these two programs can sync together is super awesome. It is only saving me more time on the back end of my business. On top of that, because it syncs with QuickBooks, it's automatically calculating credit card fees into my cost of doing business for me. So this is something before it synced up together, I would literally have to go in at the end of the year and figure out how much I actually made besides what hit my bank account and add in those credit card fees and that income, which was just a pain in the butt. I don't know how I didn't do this, how I didn't have this before, because I had to do all of that. So I just love that about how this integrates with QuickBooks, because it's automatically keeping track of how much my credit card fees are every year. So I don't even have to worry about that. At the end of the year, it's just a cost of doing business I don't have to worry about. Okay guys, so do I have you convinced? Do you want to check out HONEYBOOK for yourself? You can get a free trial, and then if you decide to sign up, you get $200 off your first year. Like, that is just crazy. So they are literally one of the best companies that I have worked with in my business, and I absolutely love using them for my client management software and keeping the back end of my business going when it comes to my wedding photography clients. So if you have any interest at all in just checking it out, just see, no pressure, see if it's for you and if it's something that could really help you and benefit you. The link is down below. You can click on that, get hit $200 off, and I'm just really pumped for you guys to check it out. If you have any questions as you're going through it, or maybe you're not sure about how something works, feel free to drop a comment below. I'd love to answer that for you, or feel free to send me an email, stephanie@stephaniecase.com. I will answer all your emails directly about this because I really want to make sure this is a good fit and that you can use this for your business. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I upload a new video every Tuesday with videos for photographers to help you grow your businesses, and I can't wait to share more next week. Bye guys.